Start now lah. Start
Huh?
now.
Check another.
Yeah, check the water.
And then
sir.
check the bean.
It's on ah. The video is on ah.
No bean.
No bean.
No
I will
bean.
put
Yeah.
bean. Yeah.
Got cover. No need to cover it, right?
No bean.
If cover, so I think it's okay also, right? So put.
Okay.
What?
Well, don't put a lot.
Oh, too
lor.
much though.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
And then. Why? High pressure. No need, it's okay?
No need.
Okay. But I gotta move. Okay. And then clean?
Another cup. This cup.
Yeah, this cup is
Yeah.
for.
Yeah.
You need to clean.
Yeah.
But can we move a little bit because it's. Oh, okay.
Just clean it.
Okay, it's done now. And then we choose cappuccino.
Oh.
I know here.
This
Yeah.
one.
Taste first. Taste first.
Where did you get this?
Better.
Here?
This is better.
Oh, the menu.
Better,
Okay.
yeah.
And then. No.
No. Taste.
This one is
Only
the taste.
Only taste.
Only
taste.
taste ah.
Only taste.
What you want to the strong one, right?
Yeah.
The strong
Extra.
taste or extra?
Yeah.
Extra strong. And then we choose
Yeah.
the milk,
Yeah.
cafe latte.
And
Oh, then
choose
we-
this, okay?
We choose. What do you answer? The
Latte.
bubbles? No,
Bubble,
more
bubble,
bubbles.
bubble.
Okay, more bubbles. And then starter. Okay.
No. Forget.
I forgot already.
Forget the cup.
Ay, wow. This is
Okay. Okay.
and then this one.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Press OK if you start, but you need to change the cup.
Yeah.
And then
Waiting.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
waiting. Yeah, this is the problem sir, because it's here. We cannot push it in. No.
Oh, not enough for the milk. Because the latte is more milk, so not enough.
Oh.
Oh, so we need to. What's it? We need to stop.
Yeah, can stop. And then coffee coming out. You only stop the milk this part. Coffee also coming out.
Oh, so every time that I stop the milk, automatically the coffee will process.
Yeah, and then now you stop, the coffee also stop.
Okay.
Next time the more milk because the latte is more milk.
Yeah, because it can save also even if it's more. Oh, I get now what's the purpose. Yeah, I know now, sir.
Yeah.
So you want half sir of the coffee or just 1/4? Finish now.
Finish. It's okay lor.
So and then we change. Not yet.
Okay. When the space already finished. Okay.
Okay, and then
Change
then
And
and then we
clean.
need to clean.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to do something.
And then this one is ready to drink.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then and this one is. Oh, I need to rinse.
Yeah. If you don't want the beans, you put the fridge. It's okay.
Yeah. If there's still a milk, so we can directly put inside the refrigerator.
Yeah.
But now, sir, that no more milk. Oh, how to switch off here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So every time that's
you,
finished,
you,
switch
you
off.
try to program it by yourself lor. My latte lor.
Yeah, my latte lang.
You know how to
I
program?
forgot lo.
You forgot lor. Okay.
Okay.
Teach her lor.
I will add water. I water milk.
Milk first. Yeah. Fill the milk first.
We directly remove,
Yeah,
sir.
direct move, direct.
Cannot.
Can be.
Or I'm
Can be.
I'm only scared.
Don't scare.
Oh.
Okay. Then you try it.
Okay.
Put more. Oh, okay. Enough.
Okay.
Only latte. One cup latte.
And then stay same. If you remove, just press this one and then up. May I see? Okay.
Yeah,
And then if down. Okay.
But you forget this. That you must lock it.
Hi, whoa. Lock
Yeah,
it.
Lock it. Yeah.
And then rinse.
Use this cup or use this cup.
Oh, but no, sir. No need to rinse.
No, you have to clean first, okay?
Yeah, clean first.
Yeah.
sir. Yeah, need to clean first.
Yeah.
Clean now.
Okay.
Okay, finish now. Just the sounds. Okay. And then I want to choose my latte now. We will set the latte.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's the first thing? Menu. Is it this one
No.
or this?
Milk menu.
Milk
Choose
menu.
latte.
Okay, and then the
You
flavor.
can change the-
You always change the cup. You always forget.
Yeah.
The latte and then the.
And then this already before you already change. You choose the
Oh.
sound. Okay. Hold it. Okay. Hold.
Hold this one.
Hold this one. Okay. Hold.
Longer.
Yeah. Hold. And you see the program milk. And then release. Waiting.
Okay. So the milk comes out.
Maybe half or what?
Yeah, half no?
Yeah, half milk, half
Half, no?
coffee.
Yeah.
Is it already half? Not
yeah,
yet.
it's
Not
over
yet.
咯 Stop 佢咯
No, because we need to set. Maybe it's okay, lo.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the coffee is following, oh.
Okay, no problem. Change another cup.
Is it too much? The coffee not
Look
coming up 喎
Just still, it's processing.
No problem. You can see the coffee volume here. It's okay.
Yeah.
How much volume?
You look at the coffee, so if you want more coffee or
Maybe half
half
coffee.
of this one.
Uh,
Yeah, I think the milk latte, I don't know if it is half or not yet.
So we suggest use 2 cup.
No.
1 cup for milk. You see the milk, the water, and then another cup is coffee, and then you
half
mix.
or
Half long.
this way.
Okay.
No more.
Okay.
We're done now.
咁如果係燈啦，咁即係if
而家改
you
咗㗎啦呢個掣，嗰
it
個
means
latte
that one is stand for my latte 咯
Hi long. My latte la because we're
press
done.
one and then half milk and then
directly.
half milk
and then half.
coffee
try
We clean sir no.
你係咪再做一次想？
唔需要咯
唔需要啦
Yeah, no.
呢度 OK
嚇。咁使唔使做翻 default？
You
yeah already
Clean first.
Queen first
因為我都想等阿黃生飲咗先，睇下
係
我哋嗰個
哦
內容個量啱唔啱嘅，可能啱都唔奇嘅，因為我哋校啱咗
I
嘅個
think
量
it's past this one okay
okay no.
and then lock it
Okay.
and then pass this one
This menu
manual
change the factory defect
Menu.
this one second one.
menu, and then you choose
This.
choose
yeah. Okay.
and
And
then
then-
press OK
Press OK.
And then okay confirm. Okay.
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 it's factory
So extra strong now, and then long coffee, and then you can just eat long coffee like that. So I need to choose now.
No coffee.
Oh.
This choose.
Choose my coffee.
Yeah. And then
And
hold
then-
this. Hold it. You see the prepare program.
program
Okay.
quantity
啱啦 quantity。咁得啦，咁一路流到啱啊，撳停佢。
流
Enough the volume is stop. Okay.
when you see the
The program
quantity,
quantity. Oh yeah,
the
yeah.
quantity
Then
and then you stop
you
it
stop it. Yeah.
咁咪改咗啦。
And then the coffee will directly
how
start.
to stop
No, you need to look at if how many quantity of the
no,
coffee
okay.
you like. So if you want the half, so you just stop it half. So it's already my coffee.
okay
But you still not get okay.
that one
Yeah. If you coffee, if you want to stop, you press this cup. Yeah.
now
Yeah. Not yet.
not yet
Yeah. So if you want the my coffee that you make it half, it's already half. So stop 啦。
OK。
So it's already my coffee 咯。
買 coffee 改咗呢個份量啦，而家。Let's change this one.
OK，
My coffee.
OK 啦。Meal menu, yeah, choose the meal. This arrow. Yeah, that's okay.
and then you just only add the milk。
Yeah, just add the milk.
Yeah. This is a menu, make the cappuccino. 呢個最簡單，呢個就係最簡單嘅方法，即係可以做個人嘅口味嘅，每次個人口味。
即係先做咗咖啡，跟住先再加 milk。
係啦，咁就一個個人口味啦。
OK，咁可以 stop anytime。
係啦，但係佢
You want now? You want now?
等我。
I know, I mean.
stop 咯。
This one?
奶夠唔夠咧？
夠啦。
OK，enough。嗱咁咪得咯，咁但係就冇改過嗰啲奶乜都冇改嘅，你自己呢一杯啫嘛。咁就最好嘅啦呢個。
係咯。
係嘛飲得㗎啦呢個。
And then rinse.
Yeah.
Oh, but this one.
Rinse or clean.
You
don't
drink?
drink
You don't drink?
This is drink. You cannot drink. This is a.
Okay. So I need to clean it now.
Yeah.
Clean.
Yeah. 真係明白啦佢而家。
OK，差唔多咯。
I will forget it later. Yeah.
Okay. We call the customer service. Allow.
I will look at the video.
I will look up the YouTube. We found the YouTube. Looking for YouTube.
Yes. Okay. Oh, done now. So we. Oh, so no, we don't need this one now.
Don't need this. Okay.
，Okay.
擺翻雪櫃先。Sorry 啊。Forecast program is very important.
Okay.
One is the temperature. Now it's 70. You can change to 75 or 80 is the maximum.
Okay, but
What do you
what?
want?
Okay.
The normal is 70. Okay, and then the second is the auto off. What means auto off? Because this is a default 30 minutes auto off the machine. You can choose 15, 13, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Usually it's the 50
Minute.
Yeah, 30 minutes. Sorry.
So if no one,
30.
if no one use, so automatically switch
Automatic.
off.
But usually you just have a one cup of coffee 啦。
15
minutes
is a
maybe allow program to 15 minutes 係咯。
The shorter off.
Yeah. Sort of off is a 50. Okay.
I think 15 is okay 咯。
Okay. And then there is the energy saving. Now is the energy saving is active. You choose you suggest use as inactive this. Energy saving. What means energy saving? Because you feel this is boiler, it's very hot. If I use energy saving, that means after 1 minute, this boiler is cut off the electronics. And then save the money. But not good for user because if a user put the cup here and then they make the cup coffee, the boiler is re-boil again. And then not yet enough to the 70.
70%
coming out the coffee. But this coffee is a lot reach to 70. Only 65, 63.
If
so, because of this energy saving. And then the 4 programs very, very important is the water harness. You know what means water harness? Because this is Europe, people use the machine is to use the mineral water. Before I say you, mineral water is it's a hard water. Hong Kong is a soft water. So you must change 4 to 1. Tell the machine use 1 is a soft water. If you don't tell the machine to use the soft water, that means
directly.
The machine is only 200 cup of coffee. 200 cup of coffee. You must descale 1 time. Use descaler. Descaler is 160 for 1 time. Descaler is liquid. If you change to 1 is a very dirty water. So machine is let you after 2,000 cup of coffee. So very long time. So you must change to 1.
Usually in Hong Kong, 1 is enough 啦。
Yeah.
Okay, you set it into 1 啦。
Yeah. Right. Okay.
Very simple 啊。
Very simple.
And then we don't have to change again 啦。
Yeah. Sorry. 好。好啦。
It's not moving.
先插錯咗個掣。唔緊要，reset 翻得㗎啦。reset 翻得㗎。等等下。或者攞翻個呢度未插實出唔知，呢度未碌咗，呢個拉出嚟。sorry 啊。睇唔到，而家再翻機。 拉出嚟呢度，所以就唔可以 move。
明白明白。
Oh, so if this one is not
Yeah.
not fit,
Yeah.
that so he won't
Yeah,
move.
yeah.
係啊，OK。
Not working.
Okay, manual. This is a rinsing. What means rinsing? Rinsing is just rinsing this spout by manual. So you want rinsing, so okay, so rinsing this spout. Okay, this is the next part. This descale. Later I will tell you.
Okay.
Use this descale function. Okay. This
No need to use 啦，this scale 香港 use
after 2,000 cup of coffee, you must descale.
2000 take a long time 喎。
Maybe 1 year, maybe. Okay. Insert filter, no need. Okay, adjust time. Okay, I will tell what time. 1 o'clock. 1. 而家幾點
Oh, we
啊
can have also a time.
Yeah, the times are not for the display here. 13點18分。This time for what? This time is a low display here for off a machine. For what? Okay. For this function, auto start.
Oh.
Maybe tomorrow morning you have 9 o'clock.
And then so he will switch on directly.
Switch on yet already. Tell the machine is 8 o'clock. There will start
To prepare.
Okay.
Oh.
Prepare the heating.
Okay. This auto off. 30 minutes.
Yeah,
And choose
okay.
50 minutes.
15 minutes.
Okay. Okay. This energy saving. Disable.
Enable.
You must disable. Enable is a lot hot.
It's still hot.
Yeah. Disable
So we
is a
disable
good.
the energy
Disable
saving,
good.
yeah.
Yeah, disable good. Okay. And then this temperature. Now it's a 65, 70, 75,
80.
80. Listen, you want 70 or 75
No,
or
Don't know.
75 is better.
Okay.
Hot
How
is
do you
better.
know it's 75?
Yeah, this
This one, sir. 5 each.
is 65, 70, 75, 80.
Why didn't you set
Put the number.
set the number there?
In instruction manual. So you can see instruction manual.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Okay, 75. Okay,
Maximum is 80, huh?
80. That's hot water hardness. You see? Now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot. 2. You must change to 1. 2,000 cup of coffee. And then this language already set in English. This is beep sound.
Okay.
Okay, this is a auto
Default radio.
development. And then this status. You see, from open the box, 60. You make already 60 cup of coffee.
Today?
Yeah,
Huh.
yeah. And then milk line. And then water.
So every operation, he will count it as 1.
Yeah.
Even if you drip a little.
The statistic cannot be changed.
Yeah.
Cannot change or not?
No. We accumulate.
Yeah, okay.
Every day accumulate.
So even if you just pour a little bit of milk, it's already good 1.
Yeah, can't run.
Can run. Yeah. Count 1 already.
The short coffee also, long coffee also can't run.
Just, I know.
Okay. Finish all. Okay, menu. Okay, but I will remind you. I say the 2,000 cup of coffee is a short coffee. The volume. Short coffee. Not is a long coffee.
Yeah.
Short coffee 2,000 cup of coffee. If a long coffee, it will be 4 or 5 cup. Okay.
Yeah.
Understand? Finish. Program is
Okay.
finished. Okay, very good. Okay, then finish. Oh, okay, and then
Actually, the program is just
menu.
at the menu.
And then
Yeah.
to select the place.
Yeah. Not complicated.
Yeah, okay. And then now is the cleaning is very important.
Very important
It's
for you.
every day.
Yeah.
Okay, the meal is maybe 2 day, 3 day.
Okay.
And then this very important. Once a week.
Huh? How to get this one?
Now cannot move out. Why? Because machine is on.
Ah,
You must
so
off. Okay, off machine please.
off.
Yeah. Okay.
Just once.
Yeah, off machine. 1 week, 21 times. Very important. Once a week.
Once a week.
This one.
Clean this one.
Okay, off.
Take it off.
Done?
Take care.
No
Off.
one. Okay.
You see the position?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then
can
I will.
move up. Yes, very dirty.
Once a week.
Once a bit. Okay. 可唔可以拍埋啊？同教練點樣洗？呢個好重要嚇。Very important. I show you how can clean. This is very important. Only use the. Oh, sorry. Only use the water. 得唔得？得。Only use the water. Don't use.
Oh, yeah,
Don't
okay.
use this.
Okay.
I will tell you why.
It will scratch. And then the smell?
Yeah. you can clean all the infuser. Okay, finish the face. This is the first step, and then the second step, put it down.
How? I'll just press it down.
Yeah, try it.
Just. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then clean the inside.
Oh.
Okay, you feel there's something oil.
Yeah,
it's a little bit
something.
thick. It's
And then
here. This is a two leg long. Put it down. It's a up, down, up, down, up. This is you must make the soft. If you rinsing the future, 1 year, 2 year is a low this lubricate. You use the cooking oil here, and then a little bit, and then just move up, move down, then it's soft. Okay. You stand.
And then done.
And then I show you. I tell you. Wait. Why important? Machine on. You see straight. Cannot move out.
No.
Okay. Machine off. Can move out. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. On this position. And then this is open. Before I tell you the coffee powder, you must power on. Put it down. Put it on is this position. Put the powder direct here.
Oh, here. Okay.
If off position, the power here. You cannot make the coffee. You put the coffee powder here and then switch on.
Oh, that's why.
Cannot make
So
the
that's why
powder.
we need to switch on first.
Understand.
Before we put the coffee powder.
If you don't want the coffee powder, you press the grinder. The grinder also here, the powder, and then you will listen. The sound is a move up, and then the upper it has got the powder.
The grinder.
The grinder, and then they make add the water inside, and then coffee out coming here, and then drink the coffee.
Okay.
And then finish. You can see the clip, the circle.
Yeah. Oh,
Going
that's why the coffee is a circle here, and then this one will be out. Okay.
And then the standby also open.
And then go back. Okay.
Yeah. So do not use detergent because inside, if the detergent inside, you cannot clean the inside. So every cup the coffee have a detergent.
Just use water lah.
Only water.
Very
Don't
simple.
use this.
Because if you use this one, the oil will gone also. Yeah, because
Also.
this is for rinsing the oil.
And then don't use this because it's a high.
It will,
Use finger.
Yeah.
Use finger.
Yeah, because that one will scratch also here and damage the surface.
And then you see very many holes.
This
This is a filter. Don't turn the lock is very fine. The coffee powder is very fine. We bought this hole and then cannot come out of coffee.
Oh, okay, sure.
Okay, understand? And then finish this. Slowly dry this.
Oh,
And
just.
then you just this. You can use this. Don't use this.
Here, okay.
Let you dry yourself.
Okay?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Like this, okay.
Don't wipe here.
唔使一定最乾晒嘅。Okay.
So if you switch on, the machine here will stand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Switch off.
Oh,
Okay.
so if off.
So
And then you have a sub like this, and then you clean inside.
Oh, there is the browns already, sir. Oh, this one.
Clean. Have a very tough. You can.
And then if I brush it, and then where it should go?
To the tray.
The tray here.
Later you clean the tray.
Oh, it's here.
Okay.
I know now. Yeah.
Okay.
so once a week, right?
Okay, and then you
Once a week.
Once a week, and then you use the towel.
The towel to clean
and then
here.
Also, this no problem. This area, okay.
Okay.
Okay, when you finish, put 3 back.
Yeah,
and
put
Try.
back.
Try.
No need.
No need to press.
No need.
No need.
Use hand.
Okay,
And then
just
push
push.
the half position. Okay, and then push.
I will push it like this.
Yeah. Push the next side. Yeah.
But if I get it, I must
Yeah,
press
you must,
this.
yes.
But if I put in, just stay and then push it.
Yeah, you can listen. Lock.
Yeah,
Okay.
lock and then close.
Okay, understand?
Yeah.
Okay. very
Okay.
good. Okay, and then how can clean this? This area, don't use the water.
Oh.
Don't use water. Maybe you buy the new one. This like this. Buy the new one. Just tell the mom
Just
buy the new one.
use the brush.
Use brush. Only brush. And then later, this is a many oil. This is a coffee bean oil. You must use a tissue.
Oh,
Clean. Don't use the water.
Yeah, okay.
This area. Okay, and then this area we can use the water because this is steam.
But how can I use water here? I will just pour the water?
No. It's the clove. The clove is a little bit water. The red clove.
Oh, only the cloth.
With tissue is okay.
Oh, okay.
This is a little bit water. It's no problem.
Yeah.
Long as the put the water outside. Okay. But this is don't use the water.
Okay.
Okay.
So, but better just wipe it and then
Yeah.
just
Try.
totally
You
safe.
must
Brusher, use a brusher.
With the brush.
Lots of
Yeah,
lot
the
to
brush
use
out.
away.
Okay. And then this
Low copper.
But he said can use the
this
here.
can
This-
this can
Can
this
use.
cannot this cannot
Cannot. No.
cannot
Yeah,
this
this
cannot
one.
only this is a little bit water the
Yeah, here.
and then this don't put the coffee bean here.
Yeah, just the powder.
Yeah, with powder.
The cup, 1 cup, I switch
Yeah.
on and put the 1
Yeah,
cup and
don't
close.
put the
But usually, if they don't use the powder, okay, low
use of
clean
this.
one.
but do not use the tip cover.
Yeah,
here.
cover here. Because it's a steamer.
We have a Bluetooth here. Bluetooth.
If they don't use the powder, do you need to clean?
No need.
No need, no? Okay.
Maybe little a lot more time you will clean one time because it is a little bit wet. Okay, understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
No problem. Okay, the last one.
I already forgot.
Yeah, ma.
Easy.
You just watch this.
Okay, now is I switch on. Okay, if no problem at the end, tell you this scary. But this scaring you can record the video, or next time if it's scaring you forget, you call the customer service.
Oh, I'll
We have
search
the
in
people
YouTube.
step by step.
Okay.
Tell you.
Okay.
Okay. We already changed to 1 hot water to 1 soft water. That means 2,000 cup of coffee. This
Can make, yeah.
But in Hong Kong, it's a soft water. It's okay, ma.
Okay, no problem.
You mean
But it's already
soft-
count lately. It's
Doesn't
already
matter,
2,000 is
doesn't
already
matter.
minus. Is it already minus, sir?
Okay. After 2000, if we don't change any, this scattered,
What happened?
is it yeah, it's okay.
Already no problem. It's a normally used machine.
Oh.
Something user is a low discaring.
Low
Long
discaring.
time. Low discaring long times, no problem.
No problem.
But problem is the machine may be damaged inside the tube. The inside the tube is very
Oh,
very small.
so say.
Discaring is the tube is
So he's still preparing the good coffee, but the problem is the machine if you won't change this. But it will put also here if 2,000 coffee already.
Yeah, machine
The-
will tell you.
Oh, the machine
Machine
will
will
tell
tell
us.
you.
You will want to.
Okay, how can tell you? One day you open the
This machine.
you will see this scale.
Oh.
The scale.
So every time that you press, they will go out the scale.
yeah.
You cannot, how to say, make it disappear.
No, cannot. When finish the scale can.
Oh, I see.
Disappear.
You have to change this one.
Yeah.
And then
you
you
must
disappear.
change this.
Oh.
Okay.
I can remove the original scaler and then
put
put it back again. It's okay.
No.
No?
This scaler is water. It's a cutter. It's a cutter. It's not. It's a put in the water tank. It's a cutter. Use the liquid in the water tank. I'll show you how can discaling.
No need咯, this is still okay 噶嘛。
This is okay, but how can discaling? I tell you how can discaling. Not is a move this. Not to move this. Because I already set 2,000 cup of coffee. That means the water flow is reach to 2,000 cup of
So
coffee.
of this
the
one,
water. He will display
So,
the scale.
If this one is this scale, this one no more water inside here. No more.
This scale
Yeah.
is pour in this water tank. Cut it.
Really? For here?
Yeah, cut it.
And then
You
the
know what?
water.
Liquid that pour in this tank and then with water for the scale. This is liquid. This is liquid.
Just like the cleaner 咯。
Yeah, just cleaner.
Oh.
Cleaner. You must clean. The scale will disappear. Finish this. You must
I
finish.
know lah because we have also the steamer before and
Yeah,
then
steamer also.
the steamer before and then it's also the scale so I put because the way they clean is
right the
I put vinegar sir with
Vinegar.
a little water and then and then steam
This also.
it.
Similar
So it's done.
啦。
this also.
Oh,
一樣
but
similar
this one-
啦。
So-
But this is
Ah,
a
this is
liquid.
vinegar?
Maybe.
Actually, this is a liquid form. That one is a powder form.
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
But
Okay.
but our steamer before is this scale, so I use the
We can use
vinegar
that
and the water.
vinegar, right?
Vinegar.
For this one.
We don't suggest.
Oh, don't
Because
suggest.
The formula you have.
It's
this
different.
is
The
better
formula is different.
for
yeah.
inside the tube.
How much?
Yeah.
160.
Whoa.
But you use for 2,000 coffee.
Maybe
It's
1 year.
okay
Okay,
lah.
1 year. Okay. How can use this? I will show you. Okay. And then the one day you see the descale, that means already you alert you descale, but don't worry. You don't descale, it's okay, no problem. Machine is already normally used.
Yeah, but it will damage my.
Yeah,
so
but we suggest user within 1 month. Choose one day
to clean.
to use this, do this descaling. Okay, okay, and then you have you want it descaling. You must don't forget 2 things. This and this. Low this cannot descaling. Low this cannot descaling.
Okay.
So you don't lose this.
Oh
Maybe
yeah. We always put it in.
But there's some you always no problem. If you always put it in, no problem. But some people is maybe use the milk jar.
Yeah.
It's convenience and move out this. Only move every day come in the milk jar. So forget or maybe lost.
So just put it on the top.
Depends on you. Depends on you.
Yeah.
Okay.
As long as it is still okay.
Okay.
Still be there.
Okay. And then this procedure is about 1 hour.
Okay.
1 hour. You have prepare 1 hour for this.
One water container is okay. One container is okay.
One container is okay. 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 Now I tell you how can. Okay. Firstly, you can find the B. Cannot find the B. B. The B.
Yeah, letter B.
The B.
Yeah.
And then you find the maximum.
Maximum, yeah.
The maximum.
Yeah.
Yes. Because this scaling is a totally 310. The first 10 is a B with this scalar. The second and the last 10 water is a filled here.
Oh, 310.
310 water. 1 is a B. 2 and 3 is a maximum. Okay. Okay. Firstly, cut this.
Yeah.
We do it now?
No, don't do.
Okay, cut this.
Cut this
Yeah.
and then
Fill in the first 10. First 10.
Yeah.
And
First 10 only,
first
right?
10 to B, and then next the water to B. Okay, this is
Okay,
first 10.
yeah.
Okay, and then this plastic then the fold because all liquid is inside. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Then fold.
then you prepare the big bowl here.
Oh, that can consume here. Yeah,
this
yeah.
maybe
Can
inside
consume,
here
yeah.
the coming out this bowl. Big
Okay.
bowl here, and then choose this scale, this function.
Yeah, this game.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. When finished, the water is coming
Then
out.
dripping here until that if done, so that the scale will gone.
Yeah.
No, only the first 10, right?
No, wait.
Yeah,
I'll tell you. Okay, this first 10 is a very long time, half hour.
Okay.
Because water is coming out 1 minute, and then whole machine stop 10 minutes, and then 1 minute again, and then stop 10 minutes, 1 minute again, stop 10 minutes. Until you see what? You see, fill 10.
Oh.
That means all the water is coming out. That's a finish the first 10. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, you fill the fill 10. You fold out this
The
water
bowl,
and then move out the water
Yeah.
can.
Okay.
And a little bit water. You must fold because this is a chemical.
Yeah.
So fold and then use the water clean inside.
No.
Use the water clean
Clean.
inside.
And then the heat after
After
clean.
here.
Then
Yeah.
here, the maximum water. Fill the rest water.
And then put again.
Yeah, and then
The second 10. This is the second
Put
10.
the ball
yeah,
again.
and then you see the skin.
Oh.
That's okay. Okay, and then the cork coming
And then
out.
coming
water.
out until.
This is different because this is a non-stop
Oh.
finish. And then finish this also see the fill 10.
Oh,
Fill
yeah.
10.
10 and move.
Fill 10 again.
And then fill the first 10, the last 10 to the max.
Mm.
And then take that. Also okay.
And then still cleaning again.
Yeah.
Cleaning
And then
again.
finish the first 10, you see rinsing complete.
Oh.
That means finish.
Okay,
And
so
then
3,
you fill the water and then machine is done with it.
Okay.
And then until the next time. It's very easy. Okay. Have any question?
No question.
Okay, now it's no question. Okay.
No question, right?
Hope you remember.
No question.
Okay.
And then if I slide here later,